So, hello guys. Ready na. Nakabihis na kami. Ito ang aming outfit. Couple shirt kami ni Mama. Yeah, boy. After a long way up, ito ang makikita nyo sa taas. Nice!
Just chill and do this song. Let's just lay here all day long. Nowhere else where we belong.
So, hello guys. Good morning. Second day sa court. At nagpe-prepare na kami para pamunta ng city center. Doon na kami magba-brunch. Anong oras na ba? 8:55 na. So, parang usapan namin 9:30. Nandun na si Penpen, naliligo siya sa bathtub. Yun yung ano niya, talaga favorite ni Penpen pag nag-hotel kami. Kuntuwa siya kapag bathtub yung ano, nasa banyo. So nakakapag ano siya, swim siya. Tapos yun, ano na, parade today, yun yung agenda, no? And then yun, tingnan na lang natin kung ano-ano. Hindi ko kabisado yung ano namin, itinerary. So, kape muna ako. Tapos, chill lang. Wala masyadong... Ay, hindi. Lakad ba? Na naman? Eto na, papakita ko na yung view ng ano namin from our room. Ayan. Medyo, ayun, so far... basa ang paligid. Pero hoping pa din na maganda ang weather. So, hello guys. Ready na. Nakabihis na kami. Itong aming outfit. Couple shirt kami ni Mama. Yeah, boy. And then, Penpen! Are you an Irish or a Filipino? No! You're still Filipino!
You're Filipino.
Gusto niya po maging Irish. Why do you wanna be an Irish? Why? Lakasan mo, Pen. Why?
I like Irish.
You like Irish? You should like Filipino too.
We're all Filipino.
Yeah, Mama and Papa are Filipino.
Then I want to talk to you.
You know?
Then I won't talk to you. Ben, lika dito. Okay, you'll be a Filipino-Irish. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
So I can.
You can. After 5 years.
Many years.
After 5 years, you can be Filipino-Irish. Okay?
Ang gulo nung hair.
Filipino-Irish now.
Now? Kasi yung mga classmate niya. Yung mga classmate niya ay ano?
It's messy.
Majority ay Irish. Ayun, saka wala na siya masyadong memory sa Pilipinas. Di bale pag umuwi tayo, Pen, no, Pen? So yun, balitaan namin kayo. Ang plan is magba-brunch muna and then medyo hapon yata yung parade. So yun, more of lakad. Today, we're hoping na maging productive ang aming Sunday and then yun. So see you later guys. Bye! So, hello guys, nandito na kami sa city center. Malapang tao. Ayan, ayan, pero yan yung mga barricade na yun, ibig sabihin dyan, dadaan dyan ng parade, di ba mama? Magbe-breakfast muna kami. Wow! Beautiful Cork River. Ang ganda! No? Ang ganda dito. Para ka talaga nasa Europe. Hindi naman.
Separate prestigious school flags as well. The best of luck to them. They're building a brand new state-of-the-art school in Carlin Forest, and the students are wearing their school uniforms and tracksuits. Teachers. There's a huge round of applause. That's the Rotary Club. Please welcome Catholic Girl Guides of Ireland.
Oh! Go Ron! Ano na?
In 2022, the club celebrated its 75th anniversary with delighted by the welcome to the board.
So guys, after 1 hour sa panonood, sumuko na kami, sakit na ng paa namin. Saka si Pen papatulugin namin. Pero yung mga kasama namin nandun pa din, nanonood pa rin sila. Matagal kasi talaga itong parade. So last year din namin natapos yung parade. Kaya pa oh. Hindi natapos yung parade sa Limerick last year. So ayun. Ayan sila mama. Haba pa niyang parade. Hanap po namin ng cafe. So chill mode lang, picture ang aming ganap dito sa court. Tapos ng parada, ayun. So ewan ko kung anong sunod na gagawin, baka bowling daw. Yan si Pen, bagong gising. Tulala pa. Tulala pa rin siya ma. Ayan, pipicturan sila.
I've seen those sleepless lights, sipped on the champagne life, New York City, high dollar tipsy, and I felt an LA sun, cruising up Highway 1, picture perfect, that red sting was worth it. I've been to some parties, seen my name on marquees, red line in a black Ferrari in the country, but I've never been on top of this world. With one look at one girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your two-piece, angel neath the makeup, wake I could only make it, never have I ever, no I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you. Moonlight in your blue eyes, light up a midnight ride, slow shadow dancing, it must be magic. You're all seven wonders, wrapped up in one girl, star shooting breathless as heaven. But I've never been on top of this world. One look at one girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your freshie, angel neath the makeup, wake I could only make it, never have I ever, no I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you. I've been to some parties, seen my name on marquees, red line in a black Ferrari, but I've never been on top of this world. With one look at one girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your two-piece, angel neath the makeup, wake I could only make it, never have I ever, no I've never seen something like you. See something like you, yeah. Oh baby, oh no. See something like, never have I ever.
Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Smell the perfume in the air. Loving how the days are longer. Sit out on the porch, dear. Tea is sweet like smiles on faces. Water's warm, so jump right in the pasture.
So this is the view. After a long way up, ito ang makikita nyo sa taas. Nice. Napakaganda talaga ng Cork. Wow. Ayan. So, hindi sa ano nasabi ko. Sa sunset viewing tayo
Nice snack.
dito.
Okay? Don't touch my phone.
We're waiting for the sunset. Mga 1 hour pa naman.
Tagal pa.
Okay lang yun.
Kita yung dito. Yung dilim. Yan na yun.
Yan na yun.
Hindi maayos.
Hindi ko alam kung baka mas maganda pag nag-sunset. Tingnan natin later. Ay, ang ganda niya no. Go lang doon. Time check, 6 PM. Ma, tingnan mo yung view.
Ano?
Ay, ano ba yung pen? Pen tabi. Ang ganda oh. Ganda na, pero maganda-ganda pa rin.
Sige lang, sige lang. Kumain naman na kami.
Ano nangyari? Ano ba yan? Hindi ko makita.
Ang ganda mo dyan.
Sige.
Uy, pen, mais ka, pen.
Mahipan ka na nga.
Okay pa na. Ganda na, oh. 40 minutes pa. Till sundown. Wala, no? Ayan, bumalik. Wala na. Epic fail. Alas na kami. Kasi sobrang labig na. Ayun na sila. Bye! See you! Alas na kami. Hindi nakita ang sunset. So guys, 6:14 na. Ayan, yan pa rin. Natakpan talaga yung ng ulap yung sun. So pababa na kami doon sa Matarik. Then maghahanap na kami ng kakainin na lunch. Ay, dinner. Kakainin na dinner. So see you later guys. Ito na yung Matarik na hagdan. Ganda. At ayan. Yung city center. Uy, grabe ang taas. We're eating.
More spoon.
So hello guys. This is the end of day 2. Nandito na kami sa hotel. Mga ano na, 8:30. Ngayon, dahil maraming time. Medyo pagod lang dahil sobrang daming tao sa city center. Nag-enjoy naman kami sa parade. And then, hindi lang natapos. Pero, okay naman. Ganun talaga. Sobrang haba nung parade talaga. Parang, kahit anong gawin namin, din namin siya matatapos. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ayun. Very productive day naman. And see you sa third day. Na
Sabi ka pa, parang putol yung sinabi mo.
ano yan?
Very productive naman.
See you sa third day, pero hindi ko alam kung may ganap pa. Siguro kung wala. Kung wala nang ganap sa third day, idudugtong ko na lang siya dito sa second, sa part 2 namin. Dito sa day 2. So yun. See you tomorrow. Bye! We're here in Cork Kent Station. Pauwi na. Platform 4. Ha? Tingnan natin. Hello guys, nandito na kami sa tren. Magbabay na. Hindi, si Pen. Kayo. Pen, say hi. Did you enjoy your trip? Huh? Why? Why are you crying? Did you enjoy your trip? No? Or are you sad that you're going home? You're sad? Huh? Do you like Cork? Piano. May nakita kasi siyang piano kanina dun sa train station, kaso nagmamadali kami, may iba kami ng train, kaya pala bad trip. Nag-enjoy siya sa sa Cork. Gusto niya na rin yung Cork. Medyo malabo yung window natin. Yeah, so magbabay na kami guys. Then ang pala kasi namin, ang train namin is supposed to be 5 PM pa. But since sinabook naming ticket is flexible, pwede kami mag-reschedule, 'di ba?
Kasi ang aga na check out.
Oo, 12 PM check. Tapos wala na kaming plan. Wala na kaming plan for today. No? Saka ano na din, parang Monday na, tapos kinabukasan may pasok na, so ano na din. Okay na din na wala nang plan ngayon at mas maaga kaming umuwi para ano, may pahinga pa, no. Medyo ano, siksik din kasi yung ano, trip na to. So yun, magbababay na kami at ang magagawa kong video is dalawa, no, part 1 part 2 lang since wala nang ganap dito sa third day. So yun, thank you for joining us in our trip here in Cork, and see you sa next video. Bye! Please subscribe to our channel.